A moratorium refers to a temporary suspension or halt on a particular activity, process, or decision for a specified period. It is commonly used by governments, organizations, or institutions to give time for further examination, reflection, or to address concerns related to the subject matter. Moratoriums are employed in various fields, including law, economics, environmental protection, and public policy. The term moratorium is derived from the Latin word moratorius, which means delaying or postponing. It allows decision makers to pause ongoing activities or implementation of new policies to reassess their impact or to gather more information before proceeding. In the legal context, a moratorium may be used to halt legal proceedings temporarily. For example, during a financial crisis, a government may declare a debt moratorium, granting borrowers a temporary period of relief from debt repayments. Similarly, a moratorium on eviction proceedings may be implemented during times of economic hardship to protect vulnerable tenants from losing their homes. In the field of environmental protection, a moratorium can be imposed to halt certain activities that may have adverse effects on the ecosystem. For instance, a fishing moratorium may be declared in specific areas or during certain seasons to allow fish populations to recover and ensure the sustainability of marine resources. In the context of public policy and decision-making, a moratorium can be used to pause the implementation of new regulations, construction projects, or controversial policies. This allows policymakers to engage in further consultation with stakeholders, conduct impact assessments, or explore alternative options to ensure that the decisions made are well-informed and take into account the concerns of various parties. A moratorium can also be declared in response to public health emergencies or safety concerns. During the COVID-19 pandemic, many countries implemented temporary moratoriums on certain economic activities or travel to contain the spread of the virus and protect public health. While moratoriums can be beneficial in providing breathing space for thorough evaluations, they can also be subject to criticism. Critics argue that moratoriums may create uncertainties for businesses or individuals affected by the suspension and might lead to economic disruptions. Additionally, the effectiveness of a moratorium depends on the willingness and ability of decision makers to take necessary actions or make informed decisions during the moratorium period. In conclusion, a moratorium is a temporary suspension or halt on a particular activity, process, or decision. It is used in various fields, including law, economics, environmental protection, and public policy, to allow time for further examination, reflection, or addressing concerns related to the subject matter. Moratoriums can be essential tools in making well-informed decisions and ensuring responsible governance, but their implementation and effectiveness depend on thoughtful planning and clear communication with all stakeholders involved.